My name is Sean Breslin from Hartford Truck Equipment. This is Frank Dickinson from Buyers Equipment. We are here to show off the new 9-foot stainless steel all-season Salt Dog Buyers body. It is 304 stainless steel, 10 gauge. You can see the manual load cover up there. You have the boxes, which are optional here. You can either put the boxes here or you can put a pre-wet system there, which gives the body a lot of versatility. It being an all-season body, it comes with a spreader that attaches to the hitch here and a conveyor belt for the inside, where there is a curved body on the interior, which brings all the material down to the conveyor belt, which then dispenses it like a spreader, which makes it an all-season body. There will also be a stainless steel covering that goes over the conveyor in order to make it a dump body, which allows you to use it during all seasons. There are some optional lights, as you can see Buyers has put onto their demo unit. And then some flashers here, which is, this one's an amber flasher with the stop turn tail light right there. 2-in-1 light. Inside this stainless steel body, its basic purpose is to be able to be used in the winter and the summer equally without having to put in a spreader, and just put in a covering over the chute. This is a newer one. It can come as electrical or hydraulic. On this size chassis, a lot of people don't like to do hydraulic, so this is a newer version where it can be electric. Here with the poly fenders, this is the pre-wet system that can be put on there, which allows you to wet the salt and the sand before it hits the ground, which allows it to prime faster and start activating quicker when you are salting for the winter. This is a newer body, and which we sell here at Hartford Truck.